Hey you guys, so we are in the bus right now, and we are on our way to the airport. Yeah. So we're on our way to the airport. Oh, sorry. That right there is our canvas for like our family picture. We bought a canvas. Ow.
We don't need this little sucker.
Oh, there's a screw that hopefully. Sorry. Yeah, so we're on our way to the airport. We are going to.
Sorry, what?
Well, so this bus is gonna take us to this bus is going to take us to the airport, and we are going to fly straight from the airport to Salt Lake City. So, yeah.
Are you A, B, C, D, E, F?
I hope I videoed enough. Sorry if I didn't, but if you guys are like wondering anything, just ask me in the comments down below, and I'll try to respond as much as I can. Yeah, we're in Orlando, Florida right now. I don't know if we're still in Orlando. We're in Florida, close to Orlando.
Yes, everyone.
Yeah. Sorry, I keep going blank because I don't know what to say.
Oh God, please no. 10, I think
Oh, you know what? We're in Cape Canaveral.
Michael.
Yeah.
What seat are we? Ray wants to sit in between us.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go to the airport. I'll video at the airport.
Actually, we're clear in the back, Ray.
And I might video before if there's something cool. Or if there's an update. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.